Hi Banters, today we are making a tomato avocado salad with a Banting friendly salad dressing. To get started, you are going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a bowl, as well as 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Next, we are going to add a half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. Give it a good stir so that you can incorporate all the ingredients and flavors. And it's as easy as that. The salad dressing is done. Put that aside and let's move on to the salad. We are going to chop 1 avocado into bite-sized chunks. This will be the good fat portion of the salad to get our fat content in. Next, we are going to slice about 1 cup of cucumber. And then we are going to chop up 3 tomatoes. You can adjust the quantities as you require. Okay, so next we've got some fresh parsley. I'm going to chop up 1.5 tablespoons of this, as well as some fresh dill, and we are also going to chop up 1.5 tablespoons of this. Next, we are going to take all of our ingredients and pop this into a large bowl. Once you're done with that, just take the salad dressing and give it another stir and pour that nicely over all of your ingredients. Next, give it a good toss so that the salad dressing is well coated over everything, and serve. Enjoy your Banting salad. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for future videos.